YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching this journey, you know I just had surgery. So today I'm just gonna be catching y'all up to what I got going on. But before I get into that, y'all already know, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, where we talk about money, we talk about business, we talk about lifestyle, yeah, all that good stuff. So let's get into today. So right now I'm headed to Mia. Now I actually need to look at my phone. So I'm headed to Mia, y'all. It's day 14. Look at me driving. I'm driving. Yes, a whole new me, okay? So I'll check back in with y'all when I get to Mia. Okay, can I be honest? I'm nervous as shit. Y'all, I'm nervous. I don't know like how this is gonna feel. I was told that it doesn't hurt. But how the hell this shit don't hurt? It's underneath my skin. Maybe, you know like when you get the IV taken out, maybe it feels like that. I'm thinking that it feels like that. So I'm going in. I'm almost there. So they can take this fucking drain out and I can put my faja on. That's about it. My dream is about to go. 3 weeks post-op, and not gonna lie, my incision under my breast is open up. But this video is not just about my 3 weeks post-op update. Even though I'm gonna get to that, I want to show y'all how I put on my stage 1 faja in my foams and boards, because it was absolutely so hard to find a video showing me how to do this. So that I'll help the girls out and show y'all how to get the motherfucking stage 1 faja on. Okay, so what you just witnessed is I put all my foams on, which I was so excited about. But I forgot to put my tank top on. You'll see it without the tank top or the undershirt, the foams leave indents in your skin. So I put this shirt on to kind of limit that. But keep watching. I'm gonna put on a full faja with the board. So that's how I put on my faja, stage 1 faja with my boards. The faja I purchased from the surgery clinic. The boards also purchased from the surgery clinic. Everything else, like my tank top, bra, all of that, obviously the stuff I already had. Yeah, and I'll be wearing this for 3 weeks. This is my first full week wearing the faja. So I'm going into my 2nd week, and then 3rd week I get to start wearing the foams and boards. So am I anxious about it? Yes, I'm so sick of this goddamn foamy look. But underneath all my clothes, you barely notice. So I just been chilling at the house. I promised y'all that I would give y'all a 3-week update. So I'm really gonna try to remember everything. When I get back to recording my educational financial literacy videos, so y'all see less and less of this lifestyle after the surgery vlog and more of the educational stuff. But y'all know, since I started, I gotta finish and give y'all this 3-week update. Let y'all know what I've been up to. Oh, that blind right there is killing me. Let y'all know what I've been up to. Let y'all know how I've been feeling. So first and foremost, I said that my incision was opening. I first noticed the incision opening about 14 days. So that day that I got the drain taken out, that's when I noticed that the incision was opening, okay? And I had already watched some videos
and seeing other people go through it, so I understood not to panic. It was very small, but when I checked again today, it's gotten so much bigger. It's been 10 days since the first day, so the wound is getting bigger, and it's not too painful. It's more so itchy. What I've just done is to clean it with antibacterial soap and water. And after that, put some gauze over it to keep it dry. First, I was putting Vaseline. I even bought some Aquaphor. I probably shouldn't have bought that. But I was just looking on the internet. So I decided to write the surgery clinic to set up an appointment. I'm trying to go tomorrow because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's getting bigger and it's just like, hold the fuck up. I'm not trying to have to go back for a second surgery. I'm not trying to have to go get no revisions done. Like, I just don't want to go through surgery anymore. Where I fucked up at, let me just be completely honest with y'all. I fucked up. I had stayed at a relative's house. So I left the recovery home, but then I ended up staying at a relative's house for about a week. And they smoked cigarettes. And doctor said, don't smoke, don't be around it. And guess what? I was around it. I really didn't have a choice. I needed the help with the kids. I needed somebody to still take care of me for another week. So I kind of had to take that risk. I'm not saying that ultimately that's what led to the incision opening. It could be a lot of things. I'm a busybody. I move around a lot. I got 2 little kids. And even with the help, y'all, I'm so fucking hard-headed. So I can't blame the doctors. I really don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go to see Mia soon. If not tomorrow, I'm gonna go this week or next week. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that. I might show pictures. It looks worse than what it really is. Trust me, it's not that bad. I've seen it before. So okay. Other than that, every now and then I get the pins and needles where it's like sharp pains, like you could tell my nerves are coming back. It doesn't hurt. It's just like, oh shit, what's going on? You know, my areola, my nipple area, oh my God, the shooting pain has started. Like the shooting pain where it's like shooting. Now that's a little painful. If I was to say a painful level 1 through 10, it's definitely like a 4 or 5, but I feel like if I say a 5, then y'all like, damn, that's halfway painful. Well, that's not really it's like a 4 because it's not too painful, it's bearable, but it's definitely noticeable. You might have to stop what you're doing to get your goddamn mind right. So pins and needles, sensation is still there. Like if I touch, I can definitely feel my touching, very tender. My stomach area is still very numb. And the lipo itch, it hasn't been that bad. I got me a dry brush and some dermaplast. I haven't used the dermaplast. I've been using a dry brush every now and then. Again, I got lipo on my flanks, so it wasn't too much lipo. I do self massages every day, every night with some bio oil. Get you some bio oil. I need to get some of that emu oil I've heard about. But my incision on my tummy tuck, oh my gosh, I'm like so happy. It looks so good. It's healing so well. My right breast is healing perfect. It's just this left side, and just like, well, things could be worse, but still, like, why me? Why couldn't my surgery healing process just be 100% perfect? Oh well, it's not gonna be perfect. Let me just be realistic with you, sis. It's not gonna be perfect. So don't overwhelm yourself. Take some days off to just relax. Stop looking at your body every damn day. That's what I do. I take a break from looking at my body and obsessing over the surgery stuff, because I'm still in those Facebook groups. I'm still watching YouTube videos. I'm still reading articles. So sometimes I just need to take a break. I'm okay. I'm healing fine. Take a break. I can't wait to start back working out, y'all. I feel like I'm just sitting around gaining weight. I haven't checked my weight, so I don't really know how much I weigh, but I can't wait to get back to exercising. So we're almost 4 weeks post-op, and I'll be going back to Mia to check on this incision. My birthday in 2 weeks. I'm gonna be vlogging that, so y'all stay tuned for my next video. I'll be doing a 6-week update, but then before that, I'm going to be doing my birthday vlog. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, like, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Come on and join Money Moguls when we discuss business, finance, fashion, and lifestyle, okay? I hope y'all still rocking with me this far in, and let me know if you have questions. I'm glad to share. I didn't want to make this video too long, and y'all see I'm recording it sideways, so I always say I'm gonna record it this way and I forget. So this time I've recorded sideways so you get the full screen. No cutoffs, no small, rectangle, whatever. But that's my 3-week post-op update. Tummy tuck, mommy makeover, breast augmentation, lipo. Y'all stay blessed. Money Moguls. I forgot to add this. If y'all noticed in the recording, it was a little silicone, like a little thing in my belly button. I bought a silicone belly button shaper, starting with the small one. This is my 2nd day wearing it. I'll put the link in the comments. Majority of the stuff I buy is on Amazon. So everything I've been using, I'm gonna put that in the description for you to check out. You might need it, you might not. I liked it. I've been using the lymphatic drops. I've been drinking protein shakes, vitamin water, a lot of water every day. I've had a few days where I was like not eating healthy, but y'all, this belly button shaper, I'm gonna send it to y'all. And other than that, just my wedge pillows. Yeah, those wedge pillows. I've been kind of sleeping on I slept on my stomach, or it's not on my stomach. I slept laying all the way back last night. And you know, it was bearable. I've been sleeping on my side coming up on 3 weeks. So that sitting up shit, it lasted about a good 2 weeks. And then I still sleep sitting up, but instead of putting it under my foot, I just had it on my back. And then I also sit in the recliner. Some nights I was sleeping on the recliner, which wasn't very comfortable. So those wedge pillows have been my besties, along with the lymphatic drops, bio oil, and the silicone belly button shaper. I'll drop that in the description. Stay blessed.